The word we'll be learning in this section is 珍しい, which you will often hear in situations when something unexpected or uncommon appears. People might use it when they find a new type of food, an unusual animal, or even during a special event that doesn't happen frequently. The word 珍しい means something that is unusual or rare. It's used when you encounter something that you don't see very often, or when something is different from the norm or expected. It can The first kanji means rare or unusual, something uncommon or curious. For example, in chinmi, it gives the sense of rarity to a special taste or delicacy. In chinkyaku, it adds the idea that a visitor is unexpected or out of the ordinary. Think of it as the kanji that marks things as uncommon or noteworthy. This shop has rare food. この店には珍しい食べ物があります。この店には珍しい食べ物があります。I had a rare experience. 私は珍しい経験をしました。私は珍しい経験をしました。I saw a rare scenery. 珍しい景色を見ました。珍しい景色を見ました。This is an unusual name. これは珍しい名前です。The most common synonyms of the 珍しい are chinky and ijo. Chinky generally denotes something novel or unusually interesting, much like curiosity. On the other hand, ijo implies something abnormal, which may have a slightly negative connotation, unlike 珍しい, which is more neutral. The most common antonyms of the 珍しい are 普通 and 一般. 普通 refers to something regular, everyday, or standard. Unlike 珍しい, which is remarkable, 一般 means generally or typically, often used when referring to commonly observed elements or occurrences, juxtaposed with rarity.